What if I told you that in 2025, you don't need coding skills? You don't need a big budget. And yet, you can start an AI-powered business that earns you high income from day one. Sounds crazy, right? But it's not. AI is rewriting the rules of business. And the people who adapt fastest are the ones who will make the most money. The good news? You're not late. In fact, you're right on time. Because we're about to explore the smartest AI business ideas for 2025 that anyone can start with no coding and no budget, just your laptop and your willingness to take action. So here's my question to you. If AI could earn you $500 extra this month, what would you do with it? Pay off debt? Take a trip? Reinvest into your dream? The possibilities are endless. But it starts with one thing: knowing the right business model. And that's what I'll show you today. Simple, powerful, low-cost AI businesses that you can launch instantly. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Because that one is a game changer. Let's get started. Idea number 1. AI content repurposing. You don't need to be a creator. You don't need to be on camera. You just need AI tools. Imagine this: a podcaster records one episode. You run it through AI. And boom! You've created YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikToks, LinkedIn posts, and even blog articles. All from one piece of content. That's content repurposing. Businesses pay for it. Creators pay for it. And AI does 90% of the heavy lifting. Idea number 2. AI research assistant. Companies are drowning in data, reports, market research, competitor analysis. Most people spend hours reading. You use AI. Summarize, highlight, organize insights, deliver a crisp one-page summary. That saves your client 10 hours and makes you $200. People don't pay for words. They pay for clarity. And AI gives you that clarity. Idea number 3. AI-powered social media manager. Small businesses need content, but they can't hire agencies. That's where you step in. AI generates captions. AI designs graphics. AI schedules posts. And you become the strategist, helping businesses look professional without them hiring full-time staff. One client could pay you $500. 10 clients could pay you $5,000. All using free or low-cost AI tools. Idea number 4. AI resume and AMP, career service. Everyone wants better jobs in 2025. But their resumes? Boring. Outdated. Badly written. That's where AI comes in. You use AI to upgrade resumes, optimize LinkedIn profiles, and even practice interviews with chatbots. Job seekers pay. Because a $200 resume rewrite can land them a $60,000 salary. That's ROI they'll happily invest in. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Idea number 5. AI productized consulting. Instead of charging hourly, you package solutions. Example? AI will automate your customer service emails. One clear offer. One clear outcome. Flat fee. No stress. AI does the back end. You deliver results. Simple. Scalable. Profitable. Idea number 6. AI translation and AMP, localization. The world is global, but language is still a barrier. Until now, I can translate in real time. But here's the trick, it's not just about words. It's about tone, culture, context. You use AI to translate, and then refine. Deliver polished results. Brands will pay you for reaching new markets. Idea number 7. AI course and AMP, e-learning creator. Online learning is booming. But making a course takes forever. Not with AI. I writes the scripts. I generates slides. I creates quizzes. You package it all and sell it, or create for others. Every expert wants a course, but they don't want the work. That's where you come in. Idea number 8. AI personal branding studio. Everyone needs an online presence, but few know how to look polished. I creates headshots. I designs banners. I writes bios. You put it all together. Deliver a brand kit. That makes your client look like a pro. And guess what? They'll pay top dollar. Because perception equals opportunity. Idea number 9. AI newsletter business. People still love email. But writing newsletters is hard. Unless you have AI. I curates trending topics. Writes concise summaries. And gives you ready-to-send emails. You can build your own newsletter. Or run it for clients. Imagine charging $500 a month per client. With 5 clients, that's $2,500. From something AI writes in minutes. Idea number 10. AI affiliate marketing. This is the sneaky one. You don't sell your own product. You promote others. I creates product reviews. I makes comparison charts. I write scripts for YouTube videos. And you earn commissions. No inventory. No customer support. Just traffic and conversions. Pure profit. Still with me? Good. Because now I'll reveal the tool that made me $100. With almost no effort. Ready? It's AI voice cloning. Imagine selling ads, podcast intros, audiobooks, and doing it all without ever speaking. I creates a voice that sounds real. You sell the result and pocket the income. That's how I made my first $100 from AI in a single day. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. You'll want to be first in line for that. Because it's not just about making money. It's about building freedom. Freedom of time. Freedom of choice. Freedom to create. That's what AI is giving us. And you're still early. Way early. The window is open. The opportunity is real. But you must act now. So let's recap. 10 AI business ideas. Content repurposing. Research assistant. Social media manager. Resume service. Productize consulting. Translation and AMP, localization. E-learning creator. Personal branding studio. Newsletter business. And affiliate marketing. Plus the secret tool, voice cloning. Each one requires no coding. No huge budget. Just smart use of AI. And consistent action. So which one will you start with? Drop it in the comments. Because action takers win. And I want you to win. Before you go, hit that like button. Subscribe. And turn on the bell. Because I drop these AI money making tools every week. And if you want to stay ahead, you need to be here. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Did you? Good. Because now you know what's possible. And tomorrow, we go even deeper. With something bigger, more scalable, and even more profitable. You don't want to miss it. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. I'll see you there. Let's build the future with AI.